Hey guys, what's up? I'm Appy, your design guru. Welcome back to my YouTube channel dedicated for creative professionals, and if you're the one, subs to this channel would be highly appreciated. Last week I have created a poll on my LinkedIn about have you or want to port from SketchUp to Figma. Well, 70% of you said for beginners, SketchUp and Figma are design and prototyping tool for UI UX designers.
Why people are switching to Figma?
Right, that's because it's free. You can use it on Windows or Mac or any browser. You have flexibility to real-time collab and many others that you can find at figma.com. I read multiple tweets and comments in community forums about problem faced by people when switching to Figma from SketchUp, even from Adobe XD.
But what could be those problems, huh?
Well, there are few like frames or artboard, projects, what is masking, clipping, and many more. And to answer this question with some examples, I'm starting a series, switching from Sketch to Figma. There will be mini tutorials for all the problems faced by designers when switching from Sketch to Figma. So hit that subscribe button and get notified. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have faced any problem while switching from Sketch to Figma. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. See you in the next one.